I've already washed my
Let's
hands.
pretend like it's a cooking show.
Welcome back, everybody, to our Moss Family Kitchen cooking show. We're coming to you right here to show you some Could y'all please start that over? Welcome back, everyone, to our TV show. We're going to be bringing to you some Brussels. Could y'all please start this over? Can I just do this the way we would? Okay, everybody, today we're going to be doing you some onion bombs.
Oh, that's the new candle I got. Yeah. It's some kind of new kind that Walmart's carrying.
Smells good.
It's called Scent, what's it called? Scent Work?
Let's see what kind of throw it's got now.
Woo, yeah, you got it.
We got it. Right there it is.
Wow. I'll sit it over here and we'll see if we start smelling it in a little bit.
All right, everybody. Now, the way we're going to do this here, we're going to be using, I think, some beef, like some ground beef. All you're going to need to do is take your onion and just, you know what, I'm going to get a different knife. What we're going to do is cut off the ends like that so it'll set flat. This is going to be a big deal, y'all. I just messed up right here.
That's okay. It made that one a little less of a big deal, but that's okay.
This is going to be more of a little deal. All right, Mama, now what do we need to do as far as digging out the center? Just take a spoon.
Well, yeah, but you probably need to take a knife first.
Take a knife first and kind of. Okay, so here's what I think right here, Mama. What? Just make a little, let me show y'all this. Come here, folks. Y'all want to be X's or O's? We're going to do like a little tic-tac-toe game here.
Let me get this little piece off. There you go.
You notice what I'm doing here. I didn't cut this side, the outer layer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to win a tic-tac-toe game. You always want to start with the middle. Take control of the game. What's the next move, Titus? Well, you have to wait for that person. If they went here.
No, if you're that person, you need to go for a corner.
Say they went here, I would go here. See, I'm already setting myself up for a win. Say they was not thinking and they went here, I would win this game. See that? Now we're not going too deep. We're being careful not to go too deep.
Yeah, you want it to be like a bowl.
Yeah, let's do like a little bowl. That's the idea. Now somebody could be asking, like, Titus, what would you do with the onion that's left? Would you throw that away? No. While you're grilling, make some hot dogs and you'll have a slow dog. We don't really talk that.
Yes, we do. Yeah, I've heard your uncle say it that way. I think.
Slow dog. Your uncle probably says it like that too. Let me call my uncle names. Your uncle. Oh no, you didn't talk about my uncle. That's all you're doing, making you a little bowl. You want to make sure you got, a big enough area here that you can put some beef down in. This is gonna take a minute, so we will be right back after this commercial.
Oh, look, it's a mosquito. Hurry, spray it. Spray it. Hurry, it's gonna bite me.
Is that an all-natural spray?
Oh, yeah.
Good, because it got in my mouth. Lemongrass oil, peppermint oil, cedarwood oil. Folks, we want to talk to you about this today. These people don't know us, but we like this stuff.
We just needed something to make a commercial about.
We want to make a commercial right here.
It does work.
It works.
It does.
Folks, this stuff works right here. Zero mystery ingredients. There's nothing mysterious about this. I'm gonna be fine, folks.
Hurry.
Save the mosquitoes. Save the mosquitoes. Okay, now you can also use this. I mean, I'm just telling y'all this little trick. Say you did do the onion bombs, you wasn't gonna do any slow dogs, and you needed to use this for something else. You could actually tote this bowl into the forest if you was going on a trail or something, then you would probably be okay like this.
That's mosquito repellent?
Yeah. Just walk around with this.
Yeah.
You'll be okay. People would you could repel people. You know what I'm saying?
Feed me.
Feed me, folks.
With the spoon in it.
Thank you. So we're going to use some pretty good sized potatoes here. And basically just going to take them and, you see what I'm doing. Cutting them up into like some wedges. Nothing overcomplicated about this.
You remember when we did that video, if we were on Food Network or something?
Yeah.
This is part 2.
That's right. All right, Fallon's already got our reduced meat over here. Let's do some chopped pepper.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Whatever kind of pepper you got, maybe just a little bit more than that. There you go, perfect. Yeah.
We'll make hamburgers with the rest of that.
Yeah.
We'll make just peppers and cream cheese in here
And
with the meat.
boom. No pun.
Yeah.
We didn't have a green jalapeno pepper, what we're gonna use is a red bell pepper, which probably is gonna work better, in my opinion.
Red, white, and blue.
Red, white.
White.
We need some blue cheese.
No.
We're getting this now, as you know.
Welcome to our cooking show.
Yeah, a little small brown egg will make all the difference in the world.
The cookie scoop around here is used for so much more than cookies.
Oh yes.
We use it for everything.
Everything. I bet these are gonna be really good.
It's almost like an inside out.
It's an
burger.
inside out cheeseburger if you want
Bacon
to look at it.
cheeseburger, yeah.
You know what? I'm changing the name. Fallon just came up with a good name. We're making inside out bacon cheeseburgers here tonight, everybody.
Welcome to our show.
Welcome to our show. Welcome back. Can't you see us halfway through Food Network? Maybe like, let's start over, everybody. And we're live. We're changing this whole thing up right here. We just came up with a better name. We feel like it's going to be more catchy.
You're sure you didn't use all the bacon?
I mean, I know for sure I did not use it all.
Okay. Did I use bacon first? Oh! I was getting worried our show was going to be ruined.
We're going to have to change the name of this again. So Fallon's going to show y'all how we wrap it. We're not rappers. I shouldn't probably say it like that anyway, because we've never made these before either.
I don't know. We might have. It seems like we did something.
We've made everything,
We
folks.
made
If you don't know the
something
truth
like
about it,
this.
we have made stuff like this right here before, but we don't know if we've made inside out bacon cheeseburgers.
Right.
Why don't
Cheese
we
on the bottom.
start a band?
Cheese on the top.
The name of the band can be Kicking a Can. It's almost like a cheeseburger with onions
Inside
holding it.
out. Mm-hmm.
Right. If you're looking for a low carb situation, there you go. No breading is necessary here.
Although we do have some rolls over there. We're going to be
rolls.
toasting up.
I'm going to toast them up. Heaven forbid. That's what we got right there.
It's like a cheeseburger inside an onion.
You're going to have to get aggressive to get a hold of this thing, everybody. You're going to need some of these right here.
I remember doing onion, some kind of something that you did with onion.
Yeah, you know what, folks? This may not be our first rodeo here.
Welcome.
Welcome back, folks. Welcome back. This ain't the first time we thought it was. That's the reason we started over again.
Okay.
Are you thinking one piece or two pieces, Mama?
I think one.
I mean, we're going to be laying some barbecue sauce on this. Folks, welcome back. This is an inside-out bacon rodeo cheeseburger. These are nice.
I think that one just needs one.
Yeah, that just needed one, yeah.
Okay.
But them bigger ones needed another piece, I think.
Okay.
I've been wrong before. I mean, I'm going to be the first one to admit I've been wrong before.
Sprinkles.
Little toothpick sprinkles. If I was you, I'd push it on in just a little further. Now, always remember to take your toothpicks out, everybody.
You're just going to sprinkle this on the top, right? Now or later?
Are those things still out? I don't know if you can find this stuff right here, but this puts a little smoke to it. Can y'all see this? That's we found this at a store in these mountains right here, so if you're ever up here, get you some of that.
Maple syrup.
It's maple syrup. It's kind of a smoky, and trust me,
Smoked with pecan wood.
it's definitely got it ain't something you would use for some people may be thinking it's something you would use for like
pancakes. No.
No, trust me, that it smells like wood. Yeah, you want to cook with it, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to mix this in, and about that much, trust me, is all we're going to need. I'm going to put a little bit of this Brazilian steakhouse marinade on. That's just my dog barking at the mailman, everybody. They hate the bills too.
Mail.
They hate the bills.
Right. UPS, FedEx, whatever it is, they don't like them.
Chief cannot stand some bills. Just sprinkle it right across the top. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and season these with them, Mama. Is that okay?
With what?
This?
Oh yeah, unless you want. Are you doing that
Just
with
a
the
little
steaks?
bit. I want to do a little bit.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna season these taters too, everybody. See, that's what we do. If Food Network had us on, we'd do just this. I just wing it, you know. Now let's go, everybody. Let's put these on the grill. You want to make sure before you put these on that you put a little oil on your grill. Plus that right there, I stir things up in your neighborhood. Put it.
Look, they almost look like little flowers in there.
What about that? The little flower garden. Y'all, that being said, now I heard somebody say something today on the radio. And she asked, was it a thing? Y'all tell me if it's a thing, because if it is, it's a weird thing. She said if you're getting company coming over to your house, that it's been said that people are now starting to go get flowers, taking off their toilet bowl, and putting flowers all in their toilet back there for it to smell their bathroom up. and I guess it's a nice little thing to see.
See? What? Do flower? What?
As company's coming, you take your toilet bowl off and fill it up with flowers
Okay, hang
in
on.
the water.
So when they come in, flowers are floating before.
Not just floating, baby. They're in their like stems. They're just sticking up all over the place, looking around. You know what I'm saying?
No, I'm confused.
This world is weird. This world is a weird place.
We need a visual on that.
We're going to have to pray about it. Is what we're going to have to do.
We just came back in the house from putting the onion bombs on. We can definitely smell this candle. You smell it?
Yeah, I do.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I can already tell that our clothing is coming off of our onions. Now we're doing wigs. Okay, he's got a rat tail. That's from the 90s.
Those rest of them are doing okay.
Yeah. What you want to do, if you want good grill marks, you want good grill marks this summer? You don't want to be that guy that's out there don't know how to cook a steak? Let me show you how to cook a steak. I've already got olive oil. I'm going extra. I want to make sure that I get my neighbors grill marks on their steak. And as they're here, I want them to relax when they go into the bathroom. That's the reason my wife's fixing to start putting flowers inside the toilet bowl. So it has a good smell. Olive oil it up.
Hang
Just
on.
like that.
Wait a minute. I got a little olive oil on everybody. Okay.
Start over.
No, it's good. Welcome to our show.
Welcome back. Find the hottest spot on that grill and smack her down. Just like that. Put your brand on it. After this has been on there for about 30 seconds. See, I'm looking at my grill here. Now I'm going to turn that bad boy. You see what I mean? Find another hot spot.
Yeah,
turn it.
not a full turn, just a
Half turn.
half turn. Yeah, that way you're
See
gonna
that?
get your crisscross.
That's it. Now you're putting your grill back down. Don't worry. After it's been about 1 minute, this is what you got. Sissy's going to get my butter right now. Okay, folks. We're going to start over. That one, right? It's about this one.
Yeah.
It's not about that one.
Yeah.
You don't frown because you got that. It happens to us all, folks. It happens to us all. Focus on that one. This is the one we're focused on right here. How many steaks have I cooked? Oh my goodness. Lots. And this one is still going to be tasty. Right here. Look at that steak now. See that? Go ahead and put a blessing on that steak. Now, let's put a little bit on this too. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, folks. Start over.
That one.
We only got one good one. Just put the barbecue sauce on, everybody. It don't matter. Look at the group. Just look at the leader. A little bit of cheese on top. We're almost done. Cheese just fixed that whole problem.
Covered.
See, what if we would have did away with them earlier?
Just like love.
Just hang in there, put some cheese on it. That cheese will cover it up, boy. Look at that one. We're gonna play like we meant to do that. Look at this, and butt naked. That thing ain't got no backing on it all. That is good. I'm telling you what.